Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to record refunds in QuickBooks Online, whether you're processing a full product return or issuing a partial credit to a customer. Knowing how to properly document these transactions keeps your books accurate and your customer records up to date. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to click on the plus new button located in the top left corner of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. This button is your gateway to creating all types of transactions in QuickBooks. Once you click it, a drop-down menu will appear with various options for different transaction types. From this menu, select Refund Receipt. This opens up the specific form designed for processing customer refunds, ensuring the transaction is categorized correctly in your financial records. Next, you'll need to choose the customer's name in the customer field. Start typing the customer's name, and QuickBooks will pull up matching results from your customer list. Selecting the correct customer is crucial because it links this refund to their account history and keeps your customer records accurate. After selecting the customer, move to the refund date field and enter the date you're issuing this refund. This date determines when the transaction appears in your reports and affects your financial statements. Now you'll select the payment method used to issue the refund. Click on the payment method dropdown and choose how you're returning the money, whether that's by check, credit card, or another method. This helps you track exactly how funds are leaving your business. Right below that, in the Refund From field, select the bank or account where the refund money will come from. This ensures QuickBooks deducts the amount from the correct account in your books. In the Product or Service section, add the item that's being refunded. Include the quantity and amount so QuickBooks can accurately adjust your inventory and revenue figures. If your transaction involves sales tax, QuickBooks will automatically calculate and adjust for it, but you should verify these amounts to make sure they're correct. For partial refunds, simply adjust the amount in the Amount column to reflect only what you're refunding rather than the full purchase price. If you want to add context for your records, use the optional memo field to describe why the refund is being issued. This can be helpful later when reviewing transactions or dealing with customer inquiries. Finally, click Save and Close to record the refund. QuickBooks will now update your accounts, adjust inventory if applicable, and maintain an accurate record of this transaction in the customer's file. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.